Made a sticker on Instagram and want to delete it? Here's how to remove it in just a few steps. First, open Instagram. Go to your chat or story where your sticker is saved. Now tap on the sticker icon to open your sticker tray. Find the sticker you created and press and hold on it. You will see a delete or remove option. Tap on it to delete your sticker. Once deleted, the sticker will be removed from your collection. Keep in mind, this only removes the sticker from your saved stickers. If it's already sent in chat, it won't be deleted there. And that's it, your custom sticker is now deleted. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips.